What if you could automate the most repetitive parts of your work? Emails, data, research, scheduling, all with AI in minutes. No coding degree, no complicated setups, just results. That's exactly what this channel is about. Welcome to Nexlify AI. Emails that write themselves to no one. Reports nobody reads. Work that steals your time and gives nothing back. But what if it didn't have to be that way? AI automation is not the future anymore. It's happening, right now. The people who understand it are working less, earning more, and building things that run while they sleep. This is Nexlify AI, where we take the most powerful AI automation tools on the planet and show you exactly how to use them. Step by step. No fluff. No confusion. Just results. The shift is happening. The only question is, are you part of it? Subscribe, and let's begin.